Hello, my name is Yakina Sika Mo with my teammate and friend third assignment. We developed a robot to clean the plastic garbage in coastline areas.
Plastic pollution is a major environmental problem. Plastics do not naturally degrade, but they turn into microplastics via mechanical changes. Small pieces of plastics are toxic and enter the food chain. Plastics in the environment devastate our ecosystems, threaten biodiversity, and pollute our food chain. Therefore, we need to collect the plastics from the environment, and they should be disposed of properly before they enter the ocean.
To solve this garbage collection problem, we ask ourselves two questions. Can we use robots for cleaning coastal garbage in hazardous areas? And what parameters will impact garbage collection and disposal?
This is our robot, Adam. Our robot uses wireless communication, so you can control the robot from up to 150 feet away with an Android phone. We use the most effective wheel design with multiple gears to push the garbage into the robot.
Block coding program is used for the motion of the robot. We use mechanical wheels to have more maneuverability to improve efficiency of collecting the garbage.
Our robot can hold up to 6 items in its container. This is equivalent to 5 plastic water bottles. We designed the robot to shoot the garbage to the collection areas, which can be as far as 5 to 12 feet away from the robot. You can see the motion, collection, and shooting properties in our demonstration video, and our study parameters in our research paper.
As you can see, we keep the shooting angle at 45 degrees. If the robot is at 12 feet, the robot will shoot most accurately at 63% power. We need less power to dispose of the garbage from the 5 feet distance.
In conclusion, this robot is expected to overcome the garbage collection problem, especially in dangerous areas which are not suitable for humans.
However, this robot can still be improved to operate automatically. Solar panels will be installed for self-charging batteries and will be waterproof. We hope the robot Adam can inspire people to care more about the environment.